Life is difficult. As much as we'd like to believe, it's all sunshine and rainbows. It comes with its share of dark times in this video. We will be going over these uncomfortable truths to help you change your mindset, to tackle these hardships and make your life easier. Don't rely on others for approval, whether you've been working on a school project or telling someone something you're super passionate about. You probably realize they don't seem as excited as you at one point or another. But wait, did that make you second guess yourself? You know yourself and your interests better than anyone, and on a level that no one else can truly understand. Psychology Today explains that confidence is not an innate characteristic, but rather one that can be built over time. Building confidence in yourself to pursue what you're passionate about, regardless if other people are equally jazzed about it, is important after all. True confidence comes from within. Being too dependent can ruin your life. Dependency can mean many different things. Substance dependency is addiction. Codependency is an unhealthy relationship pattern. We're talking about everything. Dependency here, the things that give you comfort, whether it's people or objects, and letting them become the very source of your well-being, can be problematic. Psychologist Jennifer Delgado describes dependency as one of the main causes of suffering and an obstacle that prevents us from fully developing our potential. Overly attaching yourself to something creates problems when your bond with them changes. Of course, being too independent can be problematic as well. Delgado states that having balance is key. No one is responsible for you, but you. Psychologist Jennifer Alato also talks about the need to pay attention to yourself, as difficult as it sounds. Only you can care about your problems more than anyone else. No one is responsible for you but you. However, don't let this discourage you, as there are still many people who will help and encourage you to succeed. But you will need to be in the driver's seat. Delgado makes a note not to neglect your inner child and recommends meditating in front of a mirror. Activity, please, to be more mindful of what you're feeling in the moment. Failure is inevitable, but it's okay. Executive leadership coach and CEO Lloyd Escal explains that no matter how hard we try, we still fail, while we want everything to turn out the very best. Sometimes this mindset can be what holds us back. Psychology Today warns that perfectionism can lead to a lack of risk-taking, toxic comparisons, and procrastination. Rather, what they and Desal suggest is to let go of the perfectionist mindset and instead focus on doing your best. Embracing failure and working to improve from it allows you to grow in ways that you may not realize by avoiding it. Radical acceptance. We talked a lot about difficult truths so far. Radical acceptance isn't a truth, but a tool that can help you handle these uncomfortable situations. Very well. Mind describes radical acceptance as the ability to accept situations that are out of your control without judging them, therefore reducing your discomfort in essence. It means that you accept reality for what it is, instead of fighting or dwelling on it. A lack of radical acceptance can take forms such as trying to change people, blaming yourself or others, and feeling resentful. Very well. Mind explains. Reminding yourself about the things you can't change, letting yourself feel the corresponding emotions, and reframing situations are all ways to improve the skill. Radical acceptance takes time to learn and is a big part of dial behavior therapy. DBT, having a handle on the skill, can allow you to change what you can and move on from what you cannot. Simply put, life is hard. However, you are strong enough to get through it. Changing your mindset to realize that these hard truths are actually opportunities to change how you go about them can help you navigate them. Please know about the resources available to you. Talking with the trusted people, mental health workers, spiritual leaders, etc., can help you along your journey. Let us know your thoughts on this topic in the comment section. What other hard truths have you learned to accept? What do you think about them? Remember to give this video a like and share it with a friend. Subscribe to Sai to go and keep up with our regular uploads. Take care.